5 Best Iced Coffee Makers 2023 Reviews. Number 1. Mr. Coffee Iced and Hot Coffee Maker. Single-serve machine with 22-ounce tumbler and reusable coffee filer. Black. If you're looking for the classic iced coffee maker, the Mr. Coffee Hot and Iced Coffee Maker is the perfect option for your morning coffee routine. With the included reusable filter, you can brew 6, 8, 12, or 16 ounces of hot coffee. And when you want iced coffee, the included tumbler lets you make a large 22-ounce iced coffee drink. What distinguishes the Mr. Coffee Hot and Iced Coffee Maker from the original Mr. Coffee Maker is its over-ice option. This special brew cycle starts with a brief pre-infusion or bloom period followed by 3 to 4 minutes of steady brewing into the ice-filled tumbler. 5. We particularly like that Mr. Coffee includes the to-go coffee tumbler with this iced coffee maker. The ice and water fill lines in the tumbler are great, too, as they take out the guesswork. And measuring the right amount of coffee is simple because of the included dual-sided scoop. Cleanup is incredibly simple, as everything except for the base is dishwasher safe on the top rack. Number 12. Bottom Chambord French Press, most versatile. This 34-ounce bottom Chambord French press makes our list as the most versatile iced coffee maker because, in addition to making amazing iced coffee, it can also make hot French press coffee and slow steep cold brew. You can even use it to make hot or cold frothed milk to top your coffee, too. With a stainless steel spiral plate and filter and a borosilicate glass brewing chamber, this classic bottom Chambord French press is easy to clean. If you have a model with a chrome or matte chrome finish, everything can go into the dishwasher. You can make a traditional iced coffee by brewing a slightly stronger French press style coffee and then pouring it over ice. The resulting cup is bold but sweet, perfect for fraps or on its own. The compact form factor of this coffee press makes it perfect for any kitchen where counter space is at a premium. Standing at 9 inches tall and 5.5 inches in diameter, it fits neatly into any cupboard or cabinet once you're done brewing. Number 3. Keurig Elite Coffee Maker. Best Keurig for iced coffee. If you're just making enough iced coffee for one serving, then the Keurig Elite Coffee Maker is an excellent choice. We think it's one of the best Keurig coffee machines overall. Brewing delicious hot or iced coffee is as easy as inserting a K-cup, selecting your cup size, and choosing either the over-ice or strong brew options. To make iced coffee, simply fill your mug with either regular or coffee ice cubes and choose over ice. With over 300 coffees to choose from, your iced coffee options are nearly endless. 3. From a delicious caramel vanilla cream coffee to a sweet and salty butter toffee coffee, there's a tea, coffee, espresso, or cocoa flavor for every palate. This is a solid buy when you just want to make a nice flavored iced coffee without any hassle. Keurig also includes a water filter and alerts you when it's time to descale, so you always get the best tasting cup. The K-Elite allows you to adjust the water temperature from 187 to 192 degrees F because we all know that different coffees extract better at certain temperatures. With a 12.7-inch height and 13.1-inch width, a brushed metal finish, and chrome details, the K-Elite is a stylish and flexible complement to any kitchen countertop. For more details on this easy-to-use brewer, check out our complete Keurig K-Elite review. Number 4. Hario V60 Freda Iced Coffee Brewer. Budget Pick. The Hario V60 Freda Iced Coffee Brewer may be the best iced coffee maker for your kitchen if you are on a tight budget. The Freda uses a similar dripper cone to its iconic cousin, the Hario V60. In this design, however, ridges inside the cone ensure that all the coffee is evenly extracted, even from the bottom and sides. The polypropylene water distributor ensures the water drips evenly over the ice, and the ice insert ensures the coffee cools down without becoming diluted. Overall, the V60 Freda yields bright, sweet, and smooth coffee. While it's not as smooth as a traditional cold brew, it preserves all the complexity of the original roast. This makes the final cup much less one-dimensional, and if brewed properly, you get a nice cold coffee with the nuance of flavor that makes every cup so enjoyable. With the Freda, you can make delicious pour-over hot coffee, too. The only difference is you'd be brewing directly into the glass carafe without using the ice insert. After brewing, the glass carafe can be washed in the dishwasher. Be sure to wash the rest of the components with a non-abrasive sponge and mild detergent. Number 5. Finsei Express Electric Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Most innovative. If you're tired of waiting 12 hours for a decent cold brew, then the Finsei Express Electric Cold Brew Coffee Maker offers an innovative solution. To make 37 ounces of cold brew, start by measuring 8 scoops of medium grind coffee into the filter. Close and attach the filter to the lid, add room temperature water to the fill line, select your brew strength, and press brew. You're only 5 to 25 minutes away from a refreshing chilled coffee. The Vinsai Express lets you choose the strength of your cold brew. A light brew takes 5 minutes, yielding a coffee that would normally take 16 hours to brew. The medium brew option takes just 10 minutes and yields a stronger coffee. The bold and extra bold options, which take 15 and 25 minutes, respectively yield a bold cold brew and cold brew concentrate that can be diluted with milk or water. 4. Vinsai's patented circle flow technology is the secret to this quick cold brew coffee. Essentially, the Vinsai Express delivers a gentle, consistent stream of water through the coffee bed to yield a sediment-free cold brew or concentrate that's great on its own or in other iced coffee drinks. The Vinsai Express strikes the perfect balance between speed and flavor. It brews a cold brew that is full-bodied, sweet, and smooth. Once you're finished brewing, place the serving lid on top of the carafe and store your cold brew in the fridge for up to 10 days. The self-cleaning feature also ensures your Vinsai Express is free of coffee grounds. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press hit icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.